dust. Who's that laughing in the library? Who's that laughing in my library? Is that you? No, I won't put you out, 'cause what would this place be without your smile? Nothing special, I fell in love with you, girl. You let yourself inside with no respect for privacy. You said there's too much on my mind, and you ripped out a page and set that shit on flame. I quit writing, and oh, I kept living